Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company, and today I wanted to answer the question, what is beading? Well, beading is very simply a bunch of beads on the surface. Now, on unprotected paint, water just sits on top of the surface, right? Doesn't go anywhere, just sits there and settles. Now, when you have a protected surface, usually protection from a wax, you're gonna get beads, little tight uniform beads. Now, as the surface tension increases, you're gonna find that those beads have a tendency to roll off the vehicle. Most waxes, some of the polishes and things, can create a very high surface tension, thereby making those beads fall off the car. But the goal of protection is when you rinse the car off with water, the water then combines into these small little droplets that make it much easier to dry the surface. That's what beading is. That's why a protected surface would bead water. So there you have it, a very simple answer to a very strange question. What is beading? Well, hopefully you found this FAQ helpful, and make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for more videos, stay tuned right here at the Rag Company FAQ channel. Thanks for watching.